Hey guys, welcome to the 5th episode of Launch Sequence. Today we're talking about Alice Qualification Agent. Now, Alice helps teams run outbound campaigns faster, but not all leads are worth contacting. Sales, marketing, RevOps teams don't just want automation. They want precision, and they want to be able to reach out to their exact ICP. Because once you upload a CRM list or CSV, or target your website visitors, the big question becomes, which of these leads are actually a match for my ICP right now? And which ones should we skip? That's exactly why we built the Alice Qualification Agent. Now, historically, filtering inside 11x was strongest when customers were finding leads through us, like filters or live web search, which you can check out in episode 2. But when customers brought their own data, like CRM lists, CSV uploads, or website visitors, there was no real filtering layer. The assumption was, if you uploaded the leads, you want to contact them. But marketing, sales, and RevOps teams told us something different. I want you to qualify the leads I gave you the same way you qualify leads from live web search. So we built Alice Qualification Agent for CRM, CSV, and website visitors across all Alice plays. Let's show you guys how this works. So I'll go here and click Cold Outbound and click Select from a CRM list. Here on the left, you can see I submitted a test CRM list. So now all the data from that list is being shown here on the right. Alice Qualification Agent lets you take any lead source inside 11x and apply any custom qualification criteria. This can include custom signals about your company or prospect, like the company must operate a 3-sided marketplace, the prospect must have been promoted quickly, or the company raised funding and hired an executive within 2 months. So these are basically your must-have or must-not-have requirements. And instead of blasting every contact on your list, Alice will now only enroll the leads that actually meet your criteria. And now it works across basically every campaign type, not just find new leads. Here, for example, is revisit lost opportunities. You can see right here, there's an apply AI filters to list feature. Cool, now we can turn on the feature. I'm gonna go ahead and put a company that has had a product launch recently and recent changes in leadership. And click go. Now here's the magic. When you run Qualification Agent, Alice launches a custom agent that evaluates each lead using the info you already have about them. Also includes enrichment data and additional research from the internet and other data sources. Then it'll check every lead against the criteria you wrote. If the lead matches all rules, they will get enrolled into the campaign. If not, they're filtered out automatically. After running the Alice Qualification Agent, you can see exactly which leads matched and which didn't. And you can clearly see why it matched or why it didn't match. So you're never guessing here, did the AI misunderstand my criteria, or why did it reject this lead? You get a very clean breakdown lead by lead. To support this feature, we have also redesigned parts of the audience setup UI. Instead of limiting customers to a tiny lead preview, 11x now puts more emphasis on reviewing leads, validating filters, and testing criteria before launch. And we added the ability to keep generating more preview leads so customers can pressure test their criteria live. If you want more control, better targeting, and cleaner campaigns, Alice Qualification Filter gives you that built directly into 11x. Thanks for tuning into episode 5, and I look forward to seeing you guys for our next one.